Warning: this video might mark the beginning of your successful journey. It explains a step-by-step strategy for creating and trading meme coins on the Solana network. Once the launch is complete, demand usually appears on its own. This guide breaks down how to launch and trade your own meme coin in a modern and profitable way without needing paid promotions. Buyers come organically. Keep in mind, this is educational only, not financial advice. The method is fairly new, and while it's working well right now, no one knows how long it will remain profitable. I'll demonstrate how developers launch meme coins using what's called the golden method, making thousands of dollars daily. The process requires just one platform. The link is in the description. This site offers a unique tool not found elsewhere, although its code is already public on GitHub, so others may adopt it soon. Many people use pump.fum to create meme coins, but it has become overcrowded, and with so many tokens, profits are rare for creators. Instead, we'll release a token directly, so it's instantly visible on Deck Screener. The process is simple. Open Deck Screener, pick a trending meme coin, copy its name, ticker, and logo, then create your own token. For example, 1 billion units, though the exact number doesn't matter. Add any description, funny or precise. The key step is altering the creator wallet address to another one. Metadata can be changed in the contract, but you remain the actual holder of the token. This is important because traders and sniper bots constantly monitor wallets and always check token ownership. By attaching a wallet with a large Solana balance, the project appears more credible. With minimal liquidity, say 1 SOL, token trackers highlight it, and observers assume the low liquidity is intentional, giving insiders a chance to buy before a bigger push. This is a common developer trick, and bots and traders actively hunt for such setups. For example, someone launched a coin with tiny liquidity tied to a wallet holding lots of SOL, and within 20 minutes the charge spiked. We'll replicate this. You find a wallet with high SOL balance and link it. Borrow social media details from another coin to boost trust, and then list on Deck Screener by adding a liquidity pool through PumpSwap, Pump.fun, Radium, or directly on the platform. You decide how much SOL and how many tokens to pair. Contribute 1 to 3 SOL, with 3 giving better results, and provide around 90% of the token supply. Set a fee, for example, 2%. Paste your wallet, receive the tokens, click Launch Token, confirm the transaction, and you'll get the contract. Paste it into Deck Screener, and your coin goes live. Sniper bots start buying immediately, followed by real traders. Deck Screener shows double liquidity because it counts both sides of the pair. After 10 to 15 minutes, bots may each invest $100, and if you remove liquidity at that point, you could already collect around 10 SOL. The token pumps, your wallet grows, and you can exit. To pull liquidity, simply click Remove Liquidity, choose 100%, and confirm. Funds return to you. The token is rugpulled, but it still appears on Deck Screener while you keep full control. I've launched multiple meme coins this way, and it works. Meme coins on Solana are trending again, and new creative launch strategies continue to appear. From launch to liquidity withdrawal, the cycle demonstrates how powerful this method can be.